In this video, we're going to complete the lines around the object and in the middle. So let's select line, and we're going to create a tangent line. But you'll notice that the program only wants to select center. So we'll go over here to the OSnap or Object Snap panel and select tangent. Tangent again. And we'll have to do that all the way around the object. And I'll hit the space key to repeat the line command. Now we'll do the lines in the middle, and now it goes from center to perpendicular. Alright, next we want to trim off the lines that we don't want. So trim's a new command. So we'll do trim right here. So we have trim and extend in the same stack. There are a couple different modes of trim. If your mode is set to have it just select, great. We're going to look at the different modes, but we want to get rid of these lines in the middle. If it's allowing you just to select them and get rid of them, go ahead, do that. We'll get rid of all of this. And boom, you're done. Really easy, right? And we'll hit enter. There's another mode. I'm going to undo everything that I did, so Control Z, get those back. So I'm going to go trim, extend, mode. And I'm going to change that from 1 to 0, and I'm going to trim again. Now this time, see, it doesn't allow me just to get rid of the lines I don't want. It wants me to select a cutting edge first. See, select cutting edge. So I'm going to select this as my cutting edge, hit enter, and then select what I want cut. Enter again, re-enter the command. Select my cutting edge, enter, select what I want cut. So those are the two modes. Now the first way, by far much faster, but this mode may be useful. So keep in mind that it is available. Alright, I will put the mode back to 1 for the fast method. So you can see that using object snaps are really fast, a fast way of drawing. It gives you really accurate results because it snaps exactly to where you want to snap to. So use them a lot, and hopefully you had fun making this drawing.